Out at Hitch and Tow Trailers. It's the #1 place in Aiken, South Carolina. Aiken, South Carolina is where they have Triple Crown horses. It is a major hot spot. If you have a horse trailer and you ever see that it's dull or it's just not shiny and you want it to be pretty, because something like this is tens of thousands of dollars, $100,000, $200,000, you know, when you're looking at something like this with living quarters and everything else, you made a major investment, you want it to look good. So, you know, that's what the object is of this today. And also going to be sealing the metal, giving it some protection, because if you may not know, or if you know, if you are an equestrian specialist or someone that's in the equestrian industry, you know that horse trailers get used and abused. So you need some type of protection on them. So that's the object of this today. What you see behind me is a Kieferbilt. And this is a Kieferbilt trailer. And this is what's gonna be polished today. And it looks new, looks gorgeous. But as you can see, this aluminum looks fairly decent. But if you look at it, you can see these artifacts that are all over it. Now, also what I'm going to show you is this top rail. Let me get my finger in line with the camera here. What you see is this top rail up here. I'm going to be polishing it out. And as I come down, you can kind of see, like right up in here, where someone, and you can see it, where someone tried to polish and it didn't turn out very good, which I'm going to take you all the way down here. You can kind of see that. All right, that's what that looks like. Now this is a brand new trailer, okay? Brand new. And this side, because it's in the shade, can't really see much, but I am going to show you. Come up here. Kind of see this this top rail here. Going to be doing section by section, little bit by little bit, to get this as shiny as possible. Not going to be doing any sanding, of course. Zero sanding, never sand. Once you sand, you remove material, the material cannot be put back, and sanding is not going to accomplish anything. Especially if you see these lines going across like this, that's in the metal itself, which you could see in the other video featuring a Kieferbilt trailer. You can see that these lines is an artifact that cannot be removed. This is in the cast. And if I show you real close, if you see this line here, and another line, and another line, these are 8 inches apart, 8 inches wide, and they're tongue and groove. And then they're held on with this here. And you can see where someone tried to polish and got a little bit right here, but it's tongue and groove, and that's what's holding it in. Okay, that's what's holding it up here. Forgive me. And as you can see, it looks fairly decent, but yeah, it needs some attention, it needs some love. And you can see right where they came here and then stopped, and you can kind of see this. Now you can kind of see it. You can see the splotchiness that's in here. You can get that out, but let me show you here. Okay, doing that top rail all the way around. Come all the way around. But that's pretty much the gist of what we're going to be doing on this project. Just wrapped up on this Kieferbilt trailer, custom made from Kieferbilt, and also sponsor of Morgan Batten. So what I'm going to show you is right up at the top. You see that shine? It actually matches the stainless steel that's in the front, matches that whole top up there. And I'm going to show you these extrusions You remember what they looked like before, but now this is what they look like now. It's absolutely gorgeous. Clarity. Okay. You can just see that. Looks absolutely beautiful. Coming over here, coming all the way around. Okay. You can see the top up here. Looks good. But also, got this polished back here, all the way around to match. As you can see, looks good. Nice and pretty. Gave it color, gave it luster. It does have a reflection in it. See the mill lines in it, but it has that beautiful reflection. And as you can see with the water beaded up on this metal, it is sealed. So it is protected from the natural elements. It is protected. Look up here. See that rail going all the way down, looks gorgeous. But look at these extrusions. They look great, look absolutely beautiful. Mirror finish. This is a reflection of the trunk. As I come down, you can see this other extrusion. You can see it. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Looks beautiful. Very, very clear. See it from that direction. So see this coming all the way down, that little frame. Looks gorgeous. Let me back off of here so that way you can see this. It's been raining off and on. Have this storm cloud right here, and it's probably gonna head this direction, but I wanted to show y'all the finished product on this Kieferbilt 36-foot custom trailer. Custom 36-foot Kieferbilt horse trailer. I guess that's the correct way to say it. If you are interested in having anything polished that we service, which is listed on our website, everything from tankers, tanker trailers, bobtail tankers, Airstreams, horse trailers, pontoon boats, cyber trucks, you name it, we could polish it. Aircraft, aviation, we come to you regardless of where you are. Just like here in South Carolina, we come straight there to the location and take care of the job for you right there on site. And if you are interested in getting training and you are a large organization, a manufacturer, or a large organization that would like to get training for your employees and to implement a system for polishing trailers or Airstreams or anything of that nature, give us a call. It's 800-292-2341. It's 800-292-2341. If you're interested in inquiring about any of our services, please contact us at exquisitemad.com or 800-292-2341. That is 800-292-2341. So